Hello everyone, good afternoon, good morning, depending where you listen to us right now. Right now I want to show you guys how this dishwashing soap come really handy. It's not just a dishwashing soap, it's an antibacterial microbial vegetable wash where you can wash your vegetable with. See, this is my vegetable or my fruits or vegetables, whatever you have. You just put water, all right? Then you can wash your vegetables really good, all right? All right, so only Atomy soap you can do this with. So now all you have to do is just rinse it. You just rinse, okay? Now you got clean fruits you can eat, okay? You can clean, nice and clean fruit. Thank you. This is exactly all I wanted to show you guys, regarding the Atomy soap. Now look in the difference between before and after. Nice and clean, smell good, without pesticide in them. Thank you very much. Bye bye.